boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Green Day here, rock and roll out. We had a cool song here called 1981. All right, so a good year there, the year when I believe Ronald Reagan becomes president, and even MTV start their cable TV channel in US. So a nice year. Back in the old times, good old times. So let's take a look at this song from Green Day, 1981. All right, so we have this rock and roll kind of string pattern here. We're gonna take a look at this a little edgy and a couple of chords, actually 10 chords, I believe. So there are some chords here to handle. But once you have them, it's pretty straightforward. So let's start with the chords. No need for any capo on this one. All right, so we're gonna start with the B. And we're gonna stay with very short downstrokes here. They're not gonna be down and up all the way throughout all the strings. So why I say that is because when you have this kind of chords with B, usually it looks like this. I'm gonna stick with the easier version, the sus version here. So it's a bar on the second fret there. You don't have to bar the last E string, so just 5 strings below. And then you need to just add 4th on D and 4th on G. So stay around the mid strings, and that's it when you do the strumming. That's the B. The next chord is E. That is open E, second A, second D, first G, and yeah, open B, open E if you wish. That's the full chord. You don't want to go down there when you do the strumming, so stay with the mid and bass still, all right? That's the E. The next chord is the F sharp. You have a bar now again on the second fret, this time over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on B, G, like that. And we also have the F sharp minor. So what you do there from this F sharp, you just take away this 3rd G and get this on the 2nd G from the bar finger there, all right? That's the F sharp minor. We also have the D sharp. Same case there as the B chord. It really looks like this, but we go with the easier version because we don't need it down there. So a bar on the 6th frets. You don't need to bar the last E string, just 5 strings below. And then you have 8 on D, 8 on G. We also got the G sharp minor. All right, so it's up here. It's a bar on the 4th fret. And you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We also got the G minor. So what you do here from the G sharp minor, you just move everything 1 fret away from you. So you land with the bar finger on the 3rd fret, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. Right, we had E before, now we have the E minor. So from the E, you just take away the 1st on G and get that open. So that gives us open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, and then open G, open B, and open E. All right, we also got the C sharp minor. So that's a bar on the 4th fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And then finally we have the A. You could go with the sus version here as well if you wish, but that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and then the A is 2nd B there and open E, or the sus with open B. So there you have all the chords, the tools to handle this song. So we're gonna go part by part here, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, a bridge part, and an outro as well. So before we do that, let's learn the strumming pattern. We can grab the E here, for instance. That is where you use all the strings from the bass and down. And 1 string around will be down, up, down, up. So. So 1 round, down, up, down, up. All right, so very easy. Let's start with the verse play. The verse play is B, 4 string rounds, E, 2, and F sharp 2. So down, up, 4 times, E2, and F sharp 2. That's the verse play. So that's one round. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that, and that's the verse. That takes us to the pre-chorus. Now we have the D sharp 4 strumming rounds, the G sharp minor 4, the E 4, and the F sharp 4. So D, G sharp, E, and F sharp 4 times per chord. Only once like that, and that takes us into the chorus. This chorus is actually also the intro play, but it's also a chorus, and it's very similar to the verse. You just throw away some chords back and forth. We play a little with it, so it will be B2, F sharp 2, and E4. So very similar to the verse. B2, F sharp, and then E. Play 2 rounds there. You're gonna play more of these, I believe 4, and that is the chorus play. Now you're gonna play the bridge part. It comes in about 1 minute and 14 seconds into the song, and you're gonna play E4, or actually I can just speak me while I'm playing and take down the tempo a little bit and just show you how it's done. So E4, then E minor 4, B4, and F sharp 4. That's the first half. Now the C sharp minor 4, A4, F sharp minor 4, then E2 and F sharp 2. And that's it. So to summarize, E4, E minor 4, B4, F sharp 4, C sharp minor 4, A4, F sharp minor 4, E2, and F sharp 2. And after that, you're gonna go back probably to the chorus again, I believe, and then in the end we have an outro part. It starts at 1 minute and 55 seconds. I believe it's the 2 last rounds in this song here, just the outro part. And you're gonna still continue with the strumming here. Now you're gonna play B2, then the G minor 2, and E4. So and that ends Green Day's 1981. Yeah, so cool song here, very Green Day-ish, and we love that. So if you're a fan of Green Day, make sure you subscribe to this channel. They will come back for sure. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a like here, support me, Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.